Dr. Suvarchala, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Fibroids are non-cancerous growths of the uterus, and nearly 40 to 60% women will develop them at some point. But the questions that are more common are, do fibroids cause infertility, and do you need surgery before trying to conceive? Let's try to understand this clearly. To begin with, what are fibroids? Fibroids are muscular tumors of the uterus. Where they are located matters more than their size. They can be submucosal, which means that they are pushing into the uterine cavity. Intramural means they are inside the muscular wall. Subserosal, that is, they are on the outer surface of the uterus. And each type affects fertility differently. How fibroids affect fertility is that they can distort the uterine cavity, especially submucosal fibroids. They interfere with sperm transport, embryo movement, and proper implantation. These are the fibroids most strongly linked with infertility and miscarriage. They reduce blood flow to the endometrium. A fibroid inside the uterine wall, also called as the intramural, can reduce the quality of the endometrium. A thin or unhealthy lining makes implantation difficult. They may release inflammatory chemicals. These can affect embryo attachment and early placental development. They may also affect egg pickup. Very large fibroids can change pelvic anatomy and prevent the fallopian tube from picking up the egg correctly. They increase the risk of pregnancy loss. Submucosal and large intramural fibroids can double the risk of miscarriage if not treated. So, do all fibroids need treatment before pregnancy? No, this is not important. Not every fibroid affects fertility. Fibroids that do affect fertility are submucosal, even if they are small, intramural if they are more than 4 centimeters that distort the cavity, and any fibroid causing heavy bleeding, severe pain, or recurrent pregnancy loss. Fibroids that do not usually affect fertility are subserosal fibroids, which are outside the uterus, small intramural fibroids which are less than 3 centimeters that don't distort the cavity, and multiple small fibroids within the normal cavity. So treatment depends on location, size, symptoms, and your fertility goals. Hysteroscopic removal is an option for submucosal fibroids, which is a simple, minimally invasive procedure. An excellent success in improving fertility can be observed. Laparoscopic myomectomy is also an option for large intramural fibroids. This surgery restores shape and function of the uterus. Then there is medical therapy also. Temporary hormone suppression like GnRH analogs shrink fibroids, but it's not a permanent solution. It's mainly for short-term preparation before surgery. IVF after fibroid treatment is also an option. Women with fibroids affecting the cavity often see a dramatic improvement in IVF success after removal. So most women with fibroids do conceive successfully. The key is to properly evaluate, that is by doing ultrasound, saline infusion sonography, or hysteroscopy to understand whether the fibroid truly is affecting your reproductive plan. With the right treatment, the uterus can heal beautifully and support a healthy pregnancy. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.